Ricoh Unified Communication System P3500. Are you concerned that installing a video conferencing system will be too difficult? The P3500 can be used easily by anyone at any time, anywhere. But what about the time and costs required for installation? The P3500 is a cloud-based system and there is no need for construction work. You can install it easily at low cost. Is our meeting secure when using the cloud? I want to keep our communication confidential. Not to worry. The whole system used for P3500 is strongly secured. Audio, video and PC screen sharing data are all encrypted. Oh, really? But this seems too advanced for our company. We don't have dedicated IT specialists and we don't have a conference room where we can place the equipment. The P3500 offers ease of use and true portability. If you have a wireless LAN environment, you can use it in an open space in your office. The P3500 is a device that can be used by anyone at any time, anywhere. If you already have a video conferencing system, are you satisfied with it? The P3500 fits perfectly in a variety of office environments. This system helps you experience real-time communication. I had a frustrating experience with video conferencing because the audio and video broke up and I could not continue the meeting. I ended up having to reschedule the meeting. That certainly would be frustrating. However, the P3500 provides better audio and video stability. Ricoh's media control technology enables smooth communication. Audio and video are adjusted automatically depending on the network environment. That's great! But it was expensive to install our existing system and we can't afford to replace it. With the P3500, you can connect to other systems with an internet connection and using your existing system while installing it at low cost. Is that so? Would it be possible by any chance to have meetings with members of the sales team? They are out all the time and can hardly be reached. Yes, you can connect from the P3500 with Ricoh UCS apps even when they are out of the office. The ability to participate from a smart device means that there is no need to gather everyone in a single location. It connects everyone together. Expand your possibility to hold a meeting regardless of time and place. The Ricoh Unified Communication System, P3500, changes the work style of your office environment.